YouTube. This is Disney Thomas 96842318 back with another video, and I'm very excited for this one. This is gonna be my very first unboxing video for brand new TrackMaster stuff. I got a lot of the stuff with in fact, most of the stuff with my birthday money at the end of August. And I'm very excited to unbox it. So, let's get going. I'll start with engines. The first thing I'm unboxing is Victor. Now Victor is one of my favorite modern CGI only engines. I can't believe it took me so long to purchase him. Okay. I really like my Victor's model. His model's not half bad either compared to some others. And the car's a nice addition too. I'm very pleased to get Victor and can't wait to get batteries in him and use them in my videos. Now his next engine, Lexi from Journey Beyond Sodor, a movie which I can't stand. I was not expecting to get Lexi. My mom picked her up, asked me if I wanted her, and I said yes. See if we can get Lexi out of the packaging. Out of her packaging. Lexi's probably, of the characters from Journey Beyond Sodor, she's one of the two I really wouldn't mind seeing more of. The other one being Theo. But she serves an interesting looking engine. I was looking to eventually get her. And speaking of Journey Beyond Sodor engines, I'm going to be purchasing Hurricane at the end of the month to even out my engine collection again. And of course the car is always nice. And then the next one I'm unboxing is my second RC engine. And actually the only other RC engine besides Thomas currently available, to my knowledge, currently in production. This is Percy. RC Percy. Now, I really enjoy the RC engines because you can control them remotely, which when one has layouts as big as mine gets, that is a wonder for far-off tracks. Get out of here. Sorry. Taking these out of their packaging is harder than I thought it would be. Almost there. Victory. So here's RC Percy, and his appropriately green remote. I'm hoping I don't have too much trouble with interference between the two RC engines. That's something I'll have to see how that works. I never even thought about the fact that I have two RC engines. I don't know how the signal works or anything like that. So let's move on to one else engines with some cars. I got this 3-pack of cars because I was getting more engines than I had cars, which is a problem. And these should be fairly simple to get out of their packaging. Oh, and I guess I got these little pieces that came with this. It's a dockside crane, which I'll assemble some other day. This packaging out of here. And then we pull out one car, a very bright orange cargo car, which I like because I love orange, and a very weird brown shipping car. Renegade shipping car. I like the unique colors in this set. I have far too many blue cars. And I like the unique color of Victor's car over here too. So to move along, let's break open the biggest item I got. This is a late purchase I found in a Walmart on rollback. Is this demolition at the docks. This tunnel blast set. I got him because, you see, I kept trying to even out my engines, and then I would get another one I didn't expect to get, so they would throw me off again, and you know, I have to keep an even amount of engines. Makes it easier to group them. So I got this really for diesel, but the track is nice too. Don't know what I'm gonna do about the tunnel. Let me see if I can get this open. Where are my scissors down? Now I'm not gonna assemble this, I'll just bring out all the pieces and focus on diesel. I'll probably put the tunnel thing together. Get open up. Let me see, we got the track pieces. And we've got, I guess, one part of the tunnel. More tunnel pieces and more track. More of the tunnel. Instruction manual. And now the tricky part. Victor. I'm not Victor Diesel, sorry. Okay, that was easier than I expected it to be. Put the box out of here. Now, Dirty Diesel was not an engine I would have gone after on my own, but it was the only thing I saw in Walmart that I could afford on rollback. Or clearance, whatever you want to call it. But I think Dirty Diesel will make a very nice addition to my group and a friend for my other Diesel. Let's move on. And then it's got a couple of these TrackMaster loose packs. I got one that's curves because those things are valuable. And I'm going to cut that open. Here, let me move the tunnel pieces set aside. And one that is switches. Which I bought because I needed more variety in switches. Alrighty, and let's finish off this video by letting me get all my stuff together in one shot. After I'm finished opening the rest of the dock or the tunnel set pieces, Victor. Open. There we go. Oh. Lexi. Okay. That's all my new TrackMaster stuff. I hope you enjoyed my very first unboxing video, even if it was a bit rushed. But thanks everybody for watching.